Hello and welcome to my course teaching how to generate video and images using ComfyUI. This hands-on guide will help you to create stunning visuals and animations using ComfyUI's powerful node-based workflow. Whether you're a digital artist, content creator, creative developer, or AI enthusiast, this course will show you how to turn your ideas into stunning visuals with no coding required. This hands-on course walks you through the essentials of ComfyUI, a node-based system that gives you full control over the generative process. You'll start with the basics of text-to-image generation, then move into more advanced workflows like image-to-image, Inpainting, Outpainting, compositing image layers together, installing the ComfyUI manager, improving resolution and quality using ESRGAN, comparing various model checkpoints, stable video diffusion and frame interpolation for improving videos and motion sequences, extracting canny controlNet images, depth controlNet images, OpenPose controlNet images, using the IP adapter for improved character consistency, extracting controlNets from videos, using AnimateDiff and the video Helper Suite to create animations. Thanks for taking part in my course and I hope to see you there.